Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be resetting the living room and dining room for the winter, just cleaning it, getting rid of all the glitter, that space between after the holidays and before we start for spring. So come on in, let's get this place cleaned up and all refreshed, and I want you to join me. So come on in and let's get started. So guys, we're going to start with the fireplace. I'm going to be doing a bit of cleaning as well as decorating, so I hope you will enjoy that and I hope you will be inspired. I know how difficult it is to get all of the holiday stuff put away, and then after that, you have to get it clean because, the glitter and all the stuff that goes along with that is still lingering. So we're going to take care of all of that today. I am also going to clean my wall unit with that I call a shrunk, which is what they called it in Germany when we purchased it. But I'm not going to take you through all of that. You will see that the glass will be clean. All of the crystal and glassware that's inside will sparkle once again. It won't look so dull. So that was done as well. So we're going to go ahead and, as I said, start with the fireplace and keep it moving. We're going to do the living room and then we're going to move on to the dining room. And that makes me feel so much better when everything is a little more sparse. There's not a whole lot of stuff around and it's clean and not so much color. I mean, sometimes I get overwhelmed. I love it. I love it. But then it's time to just get back to the neutrals. I'm changing my style a lot and I'm getting more into neutrals. I just love them. They make me feel better. And so, yeah, that's what we're doing. So this is how the fireplace turned out. Not a whole lot going on, but it is clean and there's a lot of green. That's just, I left some of my Christmas florals up because they go through winter. And it's just a lot less. And in this case, less is better for me right now. So this is the fireplace, and from here we'll move on in and continue cleaning the rest of the room. So how are you guys doing for this winter? We've had some really, really strange weather going on, haven't we? Florida had snow. My goodness, we had snow. Not as much as Florida, but my goodness. And the fires. I feel so bad for California. And want to remind you to keep them in your prayers. I do. But even Florida getting all that snow. Atlanta got lots of snow. My friends were just posting pictures online. It was so pretty, and luckily, it was just snow for them. So no one was evacuated. No one was without power that I know. That my friends that were talking to me. It was just a pretty snowfall that we aren't really used to. And when it got here, we only got like about 2 inches. But for North Carolina, that's quite a bit. I love watching it fall. And for me, I miss it being from upstate. Originally, I miss the snow, so I like to see 2 to 4 inches. Not too much because I know they can't handle it here, but I love seeing it. So it was beautiful, and it's been so cold. We've had to leave our water dripping and the doors open to the cabinets where the pipes are. I hope you do that so heat can get under there. So don't just leave your water dripping. If open the cabinet doors as well, and that way heat can get to your pipes. So we had to do that for like almost a week and a half to keep things moving, and just just to be on the safe side, because I'd rather be safe than sorry and have a pipe burst somewhere. But yeah, so we've been getting some weather, but it's been a nice cozy time, and it's really, really cold today. And this is when I'm doing this. This is one of the days that we have the snow that's being predicted. Again, this will be the second round that has been predicted. The first round we didn't get that much. It's supposed to start this afternoon, and I think we're only going to get another little dusting of like 2 inches again. But hey, I'm grateful for that. So it was a perfect day to get this kind of stuff done. So I'm going to set you to music now and let you see how this turns out. And yeah, just enjoy the day. I hope you enjoy watching me clean, or maybe you'll get up and clean with me, whichever floats your boat. But just make sure you watch. I'll see you in a bit.
text and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know.
Friends, as you can see, it is the next day. It took me quite a while to get the living room set the way that I wanted it. So I stopped when I got tired. I'm learning to do that. And I'm also trying to stick to my word for the year and my phrase for the year. And my word for the year is limitless. And my phrase for the year is to protect my peace. And so, in doing so, when I got tired, I stopped. And there's always tomorrow, right? And who's going to do it if I don't do it? So if I just leave it, it'll still be there tomorrow, right? But at any rate, yeah, I'm setting the dining room table for, I thought, let's do it as if the girls were coming over for dessert and a little social time. And so that's what I did. Nice and simple, no full setup at this time. And I hope you like it. I do. I think it came out really pretty, using the gold and the white. And just take a look and tell me what you think of it, the gold and the white. Or do you think I should have just left the centerpiece? Let me know in the comments below.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. road. But I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So, friends, we're moving right along. I wanted to mention the curtains. Um, I absolutely love these curtains. I got them from Amazon, and I love them so until I bought these curtains 4 different times in 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 different times in different colors. I have them in black. I have them in this off white that's in the dining room. I have them in the beige that's in the living room, and I have them in white. And that just shows you they're good quality and they hang perfectly. And in case you're interested in them, I will leave a link in the comments, in the description box below. But I absolutely love them. I have no complaints. I have washed only one set, and that was no, two, actually. The white and the black I have washed, and they came out perfectly. And they're affordable. You know how we do over here. We live large in small places, and we do it on a budget. So just in case you're interested, yeah, they're from Amazon, and I will leave a link below. They come in lots and lots of colors as well. I don't prefer the ones that have what do you call those things where you can the I don't know, where they have the little holes in them, and you put the rod through and you can see the rod. I don't like those so much. These look like pleated drapes, and I love these, and hopefully you will too. So yeah, I'll leave a link below.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you. Cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me?
So friends, it's time for the reveal. I will let you see how we finished up. It feels so good when everything is clean and not overcrowded and just refreshed. I hope that if you cleaned with me, you're feeling as, I don't know, accomplished as I am right now. And if you just enjoyed watching me do it, I'm hoping that it brought you some sort of satisfaction as well. Again, you're looking at these curtains that I was telling you guys about. They're in two different colors, but they're the same curtains. And I will leave a link below. And as you look at the reveals, I want to remind you to find something today to bring joy into your life. And once you do, share your joy with someone else. You'll be glad you did. And as with me, for 2025, do everything and all that you can to protect your peace. This world is flip-flopping right now, and everything is negative on the news, and sometimes you just get a bit overwhelmed. But do something else. Watch YouTube videos, mind please. And just protect your peace. It's important. It's important. Mental health is very important. And with that, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. Take care, my friends. And remember, protect your peace.
Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview. You think I like your body when I just got close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love. Real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run. And so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me, would you run?